Hey everybody, welcome to another Arctic 650H1 video. This project is coming to a close very shortly. Only a couple more things to do and we can punt this baby outside and start doing videos and something else. But today's video, we are going to replace the tie rods on my Arctic 650H1. If you've been watching previous videos a long time ago, I showed you how much play there was in those wheels. And since we removed the differential, it's a good time to replace the steering tie rods. This is the kit I bought a few months ago. I couldn't even tell you who makes it now because it's been that long and I forgot. These rods are actually way more sturdier than the stock ones. So let's get started on this. We're going to do a wheel alignment in a much later video. And I'm going to have to pull up some old archives on how to remove your tie rods from the steering post. Anyways, let's get started. So this is your steering linkage and tie rods right here. As you can see, it goes all the way back to the steering post. And the first thing we're going to do is remove this nut. Like the one on the steering post, this one involves removing the cotter pin, and it's 14 mil up top and 17 mil on the nut. This is our new kit, and basically for right now all we're gonna do is line it up and basically try to get things the exact same as they are, and then we'll do a wheel alignment afterwards. Now you got to remember, one of these is going to be reverse thread. I'm actually pretty close right there. Now we're going to spin this one in, which is going to be right hand thread. Once you get it into place, make sure to put your cotter pin in. Here we have it, one side's in. Let's do the other side, and this will be done. Well, there you have it, another project finished. I said we'll do a wheel alignment much later in the future. I got a pretty straight lining up the old tie rods and steering bars. And yeah, it's time to get going. 2 more projects left, and the ATV is finished for now. If you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I want to thank you guys for watching.